Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on block spam call protection on the Truecaller app. So you can go ahead and click your account on the upper left hand side there, then scroll down to settings here, then scroll down again and you want to go to block. Now as you can see here, the level of protections is off, and as you can see here below that, it says spam callers will be identified but not be blocked. So you have three sections, right? You have the off, you have the basic, which is turn it on, and it says blocking calls from top spammers. So you will be able to block them once you have this on, and then you have the maximum protection. But keep in mind, in order to have that, you will need to upgrade to one of those plans to actually have that. That is basically a little over $2 per month in USD, and yeah, roughly $2.8, almost $3, right, per month right there. So yeah, you can go ahead and enable it if you want to use it. You can also see what it contains right here as well, so you can add to your block list, caller name, phone numbers, sender ID, and you also can spot country codes and the number series as well. You can set up there, so quite a lot. You even have the advanced spam here, so there's another section, whole new section here that you can go ahead and enable features here, so you can really turn it up and level up your protection on your phone when it comes down to spammers, guys. Very easy and very simple.